The power of gratitude is an extraordinary force that has the ability to transform every aspect of our lives. It is a source of profound strength, joy, and contentment. Today, I invite you to discover and embrace the immense power of gratitude. Gratitude has the power to shift our perspective. When we intentionally focus on the blessings in our lives, no matter how small, we cultivate a mindset of abundance. We become aware of the countless gifts and opportunities that surround us daily. Gratitude opens our eyes to the beauty and wonder of the world. Practicing gratitude empowers us to find meaning in every experience. It allows us to recognize the valuable lessons and growth opportunities that come from both triumphs and challenges. Gratitude helps us embrace the present moment, fostering mindfulness and deepening our connection to life. Gratitude has a profound impact on our well-being. It uplifts our spirits, nurtures our mental and emotional health, and enhances our overall happiness. By acknowledging and appreciating what we have, we cultivate a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Gratitude shifts our focus from what's lacking to the abundance that exists in our lives. Furthermore, gratitude strengthens our relationships. When we express genuine appreciation and gratitude to others, we deepen our connections and create a positive ripple effect. Gratitude fosters empathy, compassion, and kindness, making us more loving and supportive individuals. It transforms our interactions, building bridges of understanding and fostering harmonious connections. The power of gratitude is not limited to ourselves, it extends beyond us. When we embody gratitude, we inspire and uplift those around us. Our gratitude becomes contagious, spreading positivity and creating a ripple of appreciation in our communities and beyond. Today, let gratitude be your guiding light. Embrace the transformative power it holds. Take a moment to reflect on the blessings in your life, express appreciation to those who have touched your heart, and find gratitude even in the smallest of things. Embrace the power of gratitude and watch as it enhances your perspective, deepens your relationships, and fuels your overall well-being. Let gratitude become a daily practice, a constant reminder of the richness and beauty that fills your life. Embrace gratitude and allow its incredible power to illuminate your path, bringing you peace, joy, and fulfillment.